It's collection day!
Yes! Right, so we are here, he's happy. We are here at MK and we have come to pick up our kit. We got the biggest van we could acquire at the time. Should we get it done?
Yeah.
Let's get it. Right, so as we said earlier, it is collection day. We're here with Neil and he's going to show us what we got ourselves into. I mean, what we've bought.
This is your kit all ready to go in the departure lounge.
We've been waiting for this for months. I can't believe it's finally collection day. It's like Christmas, isn't it? We've got 5 days.
It is Christmas.
It is Christmas.
It is Christmas.
Lovely little early Christmas present.
This is it.
Obviously, you won't be watching this till probably January, February time. So this is pre-Christmas,
we
pre-COVID.
also pulled out all the stops to get it to these guys for Christmas.
Yeah, so we've got something to do. Yeah. But yeah, this is our kit. Right, should we go for it?
Let's do that. So what we got, this is your chassis.
Yep.
It's an Indy RX5 chassis. It's a square tube chassis with the mounts for the FIA approved roll cage. So you've got that on there.
Oh, pre-drilled, so that's one less thing to try and work out.
Yeah, there is, yeah. You've got a floor pan that's pre-drilled as well. So we did that and we powder coated the floor pan.
Oh,
so
fantastic.
that's black
We just
as
have
well.
to rivet it. We don't have to guess it, which
Yeah,
is, I'm guessing...
And you just got to make sure that you get them around the right way. They're two halves.
Yeah.
And you just got to make sure that you dry fit it first before you start putting a load of goo and that on it.
Yeah.
We've also gone for a rollover bar as well, so you can chop between the roll cage and the rollover bar. So you've got that too. That gives you the ability to put the windscreen and doors on if you want to go on the road.
Yeah. Awesome.
So that's,
and then all of this.
So all of this, the rest of this bit is your kit. So we'll talk through it. You've got your wishbones, your rockers. It'll be wishbones, rockers, all powder coated, all ready to go. Rollover bar. We've done an exchange on your diff. We've braced it.
Yeah. So we bought our old diff housing. We bought our old sump, prop, and steering link by it.
Correct.
Which have all been adapted specifically to fit the kit car ready to go.
That's right.
Perfect.
Yeah. We changed those. So we've got stock on the shelf. So we just did an exchange on those. That's no problem. I have got all your bodywork here. So you've got a carbon aero screen. You've got the bonnet, rear tub, scuttle panels, side panels, all in white.
Yeah.
And you've got your 4 carbon corners as well.
Yeah. Tank.
Fuel tank fits the Mazda pump. So if you look at the fuel tank, this takes your Mazda fuel pump.
Yeah,
that's going to fall over, isn't it?
Yeah, there we go.
So it takes your Mazda fuel pump. So what you do is you cut your Mazda fuel pump as per the manual, and you change the length and the height of the pickup in the pump. They're sumped. It's sumped and it's baffled as well.
Okay,
so
cool.
Sumped and baffled.
Ideal, yeah.
So it'd be ideal for the track when you go hooning around the track. We've got a boot box as well, which you can use for because you've got the FIA cage. The stays come backwards at the side, so there's plenty of room there for the boot box. So you've got a little bit of storage space.
Little bit of storage space.
Yeah, it's about big enough for a packet of crisps and a pair of socks.
Couple of pairs of pants. Just in case.
That's it. Then you've got radiators. You've got discs,
random things, bits
boxes
and bobs,
of bits and pieces, all with your name
Great
on it,
fun
all
to go
labelled up.
through, yeah. Quite looking forward to this. How many pieces is it? Do you know offhand, roughly?
2,800.
Including
you did say
nuts,
offhand.
Yeah, offhand. Yeah.
No, that's a blatant guess.
Yeah.
I think it's about 300 or 400 parts.
Yeah, that's mad, isn't it? I'm looking forward to laying it all out and trying to find the space for some
What's
of it.
that there that we've got? Oh, you've got an air ducting kit for the cooler, the turbo as well.
Yeah.
The bike isn't yours. That's,
that's
that's
as much as I would
else's.
love that. Yeah.
Well, we can do it as we load it.
Also,
Well, I'll be able
that's
to-
fine. I mean,
you know.
we'll have a layout when we get home. Get it all over in the garage, won't we?
Yeah.
We'll do all of that. Oh man, I'm excited. This is going to be good. I'm glad we bought the biggest van we could find.
You need a big van to pick it up with. Oh, you've got an interior panel kit as well down here. That's why it's laid flat because it's all.
Rear diffuser as well?
There is a diffuser
somewhere.
In amongst it all?
In amongst it all, yeah.
Right, should we start loading some stuff into the van?
We need to.
Probably chassis first.
Yeah, chassis first.
Go around.
Now, this week's video is brought to you by Alloy Stars, Aylesbury's #1 powder coating company. We actually use them. If you watched our last video, you'll have seen that we took some parts there to be refurbished, powder coated, and now they look as good as new. Let's get it up on the wall. And they're on the wall. A big thank you to Alloy Stars. If you want to find their details or anyone else who sponsors or supports this channel, head to the bottom of this description and there'll be all their details along with any discount codes that we may have. Now, back to the video. Right, so that took us a little over, what, like 15, 20 minutes to load all that?
Not too bad.
The worst part of it is, well, there's a few things. We forgot to bring any padding, blankets, duvets, pieces of foam, pillows, anything you can nick out of the spare room.
Anything soft.
Definitely get either a box van or a high top long back van, because as you can see, it's a little bit chocker just because you can't stack everything to the height. I mean, Neil and the team were wicked. They had everything ready to go, all laid out. And obviously we won't know if anything's missing until we've got home and packed it all anyway, so. But he's assured us it's all there. Being for a big tick sheet, I mean, you can see everything's got our name written on it. Everything's laid out really nice. They knew exactly what we were getting. They had the refurbished parts for us, like the
spare bits, prop shaft, all
those bits. So yeah, really chuffed with how it's gone in. I'm a bit nervous for driving home. Do you want to drive?
No, I'll let you drive home because
great.
Any damages we can blame him.
But yeah, I mean, it's all in there. I'll give you a little close. Let's give you a little close up so you can just see how bad it is. See, I mean, it's not too bad. It's just not being able to stack stuff on top of each other and all of that good stuff. I mean, you've got all the plastics and fiberglass stuff at this end. You've got the, how well you can see that because of the darkness, but you've got the chassis up against the thing. We've got, obviously, if you have a roll cage, we've got the roll cage. We've also got the roll hoop here and a few other bits and bobs as well. But yeah, we have really stacked it in there. But yeah, just wanted to say a massive thanks to Neil. Let's go and find him and say bye. Top man, thumbs up from everyone. So right, we'll get back on the road.
Of you as well for our social.
Oh,
yes,
do,
mate,
yeah.
definitely.
I'll let you know when this one drops, yeah? No spoilers.
I won't do that then.
You can take one, just post
a photo,
it.
We'll just do it afterwards, yeah.
Post it later date.
Yeah.
We don't want to give them too much of a sneak peek, but yeah, as always, mate, COVID handshake, thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
Nice one.
And we'll be seeing you really soon.
Be seeing you.
Top man.